Hello, in this video I want to show you what you can do when you use the relight action and the auto-masking. It doesn't work as perfect as we need. So this is sort of a advanced tutorial or something like that, I'm not sure. First of all, I'm gonna run the step 1. Alright, now we have our two different layers to add and decrease luminosity, and I'm gonna do something pretty aggressive so we can watch what is happening here. So I'm gonna select the marquee tool and I'm gonna create a big selection behind the model. In this case, I'm gonna fill the selection with white, so I'm gonna press, in my case, Alt and Command and Delete to fill this with white. Command because it's my background color. And now I'm gonna remove this selection. So I'm gonna press Command D. I'm gonna do something similar for the shadows. I'm gonna select a big portion of this and I'm gonna fill the selection with white. Okay, now it's time to create or invert this layer mask. So I'm gonna press invert in here. Now we do have a pretty good mock-up of what we want. We want a big darkening around the frame, and we want a sort of spotlight behind the model. But let me show you something that it doesn't went perfect. And for example, it's this. And this is because the masking of the subject, it wasn't perfect. So if this is the case and you see this happening when you use the relight or other action, this is when you will want to make a maybe better selection of this. So for this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open both groups, and in this case, in the light group, for example, I'm gonna open the group. Let me close this so it's more easy to understand. I'm gonna paint all inside with red, just you can watch easy what I'm doing. I'm gonna select the masking tide layer mask, and I'm gonna paint, in this case, with a regular brush with white color, something like this. That's pretty all for this part. Maybe we want to do something in this portion. And now we are sure that the light it's only affecting the backdrop. Let me take a look. I'm pretty sure we have something bad in the arms as well. As you can see, the light it's affecting the backdrop or the background, but it's also affecting the arms. So what I'm gonna do in this case, it's paint with black because I want to hide this effect from the arms. So this is all I need to do. Paint with black, in this case in the arms. Okay, and that's pretty all we need to do, I guess, in this case. All right, let me take a look of the before and after. Looks better, and we will not have any issue with the shadow because it's around the model, so we are not touching the model. Now I'm gonna run the step 2. I'm gonna play just okay. Okay, I'm happy with that radius. I'm also happy with this radius. And let me show you a quick before and after. So now we are sure that we are not affecting the model with the lights or shadows, and we are only affecting the backdrop. This will not happen to you every time, but in some images the automatic selection will not be perfect, like in this case. So If that is your case, maybe you will need to adjust some portion of the layer mask before run step 2. So, okay, I think that's all. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Bye bye.